Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video.
This tip is for toddlers who love to screech. This is quite common. So if you have a toddler that loves to screech and you are trying to figure out a way to redirect it, this is a redirection tip. So when your child starts making screeching, loud sounds, one strategy is to turn on some music. Put on some music and start singing and encourage your child to sing along. So what you're going to do is you're going to distract them and redirect them. So the singing trick can be really, really fun, and it can certainly help them to channel that energy, to channel all those vocalizations, and do something enjoyable with you as well. So try the music trick and see how it works, or you can get out some musical instruments and just have them play and listen instead of screech. So another strategy that you might want to try around music.